All right, today I got a new hive. I'm going to put a swarm of bees into it that has swarmed from one of the splits I did. This is my top bar hive and all my chickens hiding for shade underneath it. This is my main hive that I've had for over a year that I'm doing the split from. This is my nuke hive. This is where I did the split. Oh, that was looks like a queen bee flying around right there, one of my new queens. I did a split about a month ago, and I had my hive in the sun, and I had a melted blowout. A couple of the hive combs fell. So last week I took a fresh brood hydra out of my other comb and put it in here, and the bees that had been in there for a month took the opportunity, there's another queen right there, took the opportunity to make 7 queens. Looks like there's still a few queens inside of here. This is my new hive that I'm going to put the new queens into. Then over here on the other side of the yard is where one of the queens has already mated and swarmed and has moved into the cinder block back here. So my hope is to just pick up the queen and her fellow swarm and move them into my new hive. Hopefully they'll just move right in. This is my brand new link strip style hive. Get back, Hydro.
Hydro just ate a bee.
That's fine. I got extras. So my plan is to just shake the new bees into their new home. Brand new pre-waxed combs. So they should be already holding honey. They've been living on that cinder block for the last week or a couple days or so, so they should be have already collected honey to feed the queen. So they should be ready to move right in. All right, here I'm gonna So I can't tell. That might be the queen right there.
Nico. Shh.
See how it goes. Maybe I'll take some of these slots out and just put it right inside. Just gonna take a couple of these out. Drop these new bees right inside there. So I'll come back and check on that in a couple of days, and if everything goes well, there should be eggs being laid. That should be an already mated queen. All right, that's it.